Hello and welcome students. In this video, we are going to study about skeletal system. The skeletal system is that system in our body where bones are related. That means all the different types of bones present in our body, that is a part of or that together forms the skeletal system. When a child is born, the number of bones in the child's body is around 306. The moment the child grows and becomes an adult, the number of bones reduces to 206. If we see our whole body, it is divided into two parts. One is the straight body and the other is the four limbs. The whole straight body, that is your head, your neck region, your sternum, your hip bone, that is your rib cage, what we call as the sternum, all this comes under the axial skeletal system. Axial skeletal system means the straight part of your body. And the four limbs, that is the upper limbs and the lower limbs, they come under appendicular skeletal system. So in appendicular you find only the four limbs, the upper, your hands and legs, and in axial rest of the bones. Now these bones are very important in the life of a human being. They help to do various functions. They are of various shapes and sizes. They can be long, short, flat, sesamoid, depending on in which place they are present. But always a bone joins with another bone because there cannot be only one bone in the body. As I said, there are 206 bones. So when bones join, they give a shape to the human body. They give protection to the human body. So when a bone is joining with the bone, this is joined with the help of a tissue called ligament. You might have heard about ligament fracture. When two bones come in contact with each other due to some injury, ligament fracture can be there. When a bone joins with a muscle, it uses to join another tissue called tendon. So ligament joins bone to bone and tendon joins bone to muscles. Wherever they join, this joining is very, very important, and depending on which part of the body they are present, they join. And their joining, wherever they join, there is a fluid called synovial fluid present. This synovial fluid actually is the shock absorbent. Suppose there are two bones and they just dash with each other. While dashing, if there is no buffer along with the ligament, there is no fluid around, then there will be constant pain in the bones. You might have seen elderly people, your grandparents, they usually tell you or they complain about the knee pain. It is because the fluid, the synovial fluid which is present around the connection, the joints, they start to dry with age. So this is also important. Then there are three types of bones in our body. Bones which are freely movable, which can easily move, just like the joints of your fingers. The bones which move partially, that is your knee bones. You cannot rotate it in full direction. They are partially movable. You can fold your limbs. And the third type that is present in our body is the immovable joints. That is in our skull, the head region. So we have three types of bones in our body. the movable joints, the immovable joints, and partially movable joints. Wherever, in whatever place they are, bones have got various functions in our body. They help, first of all, to give shape to the human body. Then they give protection to the various delicate organs in our body. They help not only in movement, but they also help a person to be stronger in dealing with the external injury. So that is why the study of skeletal system under anatomy is very, very important.